anything about Mr. Price?
Oh, Mr. Price, he's a great neighbor. Oh, yes. The only complaint I would have is sometimes the chicken sounds are kind of loud.
Sue? No, he's a wizard who turns kids into chickens. Collected all 4 of my candy wrappers, so you can count me out. Me too!
Do you think those bats are going to start flapping when we walk by?
Maybe. We don't have to go into this house.